Today we are going to test the fuel injector with a cheap fuel injector test kit, which is for gasoline fuel injectors, and you will receive two sets of the kit. One of them is for small types, and the other one is for the bigger type, which is most common among the fuel injectors, gasoline fuel injectors. So what you need is a carb cleaner and your car's battery. You can do it on the car itself, but we chose to remove the fuel injector and do it on bench, if we can call it so. It actually does the job. I have another kit which is about $600, which I use for cleaning fuel injector. I thought, you know what, let's give it a try and see if it does the job, and it actually does with a carb cleaner. So this is how we use the fuel injector test kit. It can be, you have to be careful. When you press the carb cleaner. You don't spray the carb cleaner on yourself. And the pattern actually changes after a few times trying to clean the fuel injector. And amazing, guys. I think it says everything in the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up, comment. I will appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Take care.